What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. Today, we are going to be running over Litecoin. Before we get started though, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Also, comment down below if you have any questions or coins you want me to run over. We talked about Litecoin 2 weeks ago as well on this channel, so this is one we have been watching for a minute. So without further ado, let's get straight into the Litecoin analysis. So the very first thing I see with Litecoin is this huge market cycle where prices went all the way up to $380, then all the way back down to $20. After that happened, Litecoin did have a nice bounce. Then we had another market cycle that occurred directly after. Now you guys can see that on this second market cycle, we actually have a huge ABC correction down, just like the first market cycle. And so this secondary cycle is actually an echo of the first cycle. You guys can see that it's almost identical in every single way. Now, when this last Litecoin cycle bottomed out, you guys can see that we did have a very nice bounce. In price, we went all the way up to $155 before we came back down. So it wouldn't surprise me if we see the same thing here today. As you guys can see, when you compare these two cycles together, they really are very similar. It's pretty much an echo of the exact same thing. And so as a result of this ABC correction, there's actually a really good buying opportunity down at these levels, which Litecoin is worth about $68 per coin right now. And another breakout could take us all the way up to 150 again. So even though this is my trading journal and it's not financial advice, I do expect Litecoin to at least double in value over the next few months or so. Now, that's only the beginning with Litecoin because as you guys can see, we actually could do a complete repeat of the entire echo cycle, or in other words, another cycle occurs after the bottom of this cycle. And obviously, this is not the end of Litecoin if we go up to $150. For me, this would just be the beginning of something a lot bigger. So yeah, like I said, this means that you guys can easily double your money here on Litecoin, and it being worth $68 in my view is a great entry. This is very undervalued, and considering how much upside there is left. So basically what has happened here with Litecoin is we have a fractal on the left and we have a fractal on the right. Now, if you don't know what a fractal is a repeating pattern. This is a mathematical sequence and it repeats itself. So we have a perfect repeat of the first fractal and the second fractal here on Litecoin. Now, this means that we could have a third fractal forming here on Litecoin, which could take us, again, all the way back up above the all-time high level. Now, as prices do a bigger picture reversal, we're going to start to accelerate in momentum, and it will start to behave a lot more like it did in 2017 as well as 2021. You guys can also see that as far as volume goes, we actually have more trading volume right now than we did previously on Litecoin. So in other words, the industry is growing throughout this entire period. In fact, the crypto industry has not stopped growing since I got into it. The market cap has continually gone bigger and bigger and bigger, and every time that we've had a large drop in value has been a great chance to buy. Now, as we go for this next cycle, crypto could go into a multi-trillion-dollar market cap again. So that means that we can 10x at least in value in the total market cap, which will send a lot of these cryptos completely through the roof. So even though, a lot of the world right now is saying, sell everything, get out of stocks, get out of everything, sell, they are blinded by the fact that the media always directs people to do the wrong thing at the wrong time. But if they would just listen to professionals, they would know that now is the time to be investing in stocks, in crypto, and preparing for the next big wave in these markets. So yeah, you guys, I'm pretty hyped. I see a lot of upside potential with the crypto markets as a whole. So yeah, you guys, I am very excited about the crypto markets. I've been through multiple cycles now, and I'm ready for this next cycle. It's a lot of fun when you trade these cycles, when you're investing with people, making money, watching people in your Discord pull profits out of the market on a regular basis. And it's just a lot of fun. But yeah, you got to be able to take advantage of opportunity, and you got to be able to take risk. And if you can do those two things, you can totally change your life in the crypto markets. I've seen it happen for myself, seen it happen for a lot of people that I know. All it takes is the ability to take a little risk and put money in the market. So yeah, if you're willing and able to take a little bit of risk, then the opportunity is definitely here in the crypto markets. And I highly recommend that you do that. If you don't, that's your loss as well. You're probably going to look back at this time and go, wow, crypto is worth $68 and I didn't listen to the opportunity that I had right in front of me. So don't miss out on it, you guys. Take a little bit of risk. But yeah, be willing to take the risk, you guys. I love and appreciate you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button for me. Share with your friends as well. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.